Welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I have something very good for you guys. I got a new 3070 Ti, the gaming trio. We're gonna do a little unboxing on this baby, and we're gonna go and start mining with this one. We're probably not gonna do that tonight, but we're gonna doing some further tests with this one. So you guys can see in it, this is the one we just got in. When you can see in my video, this one I went all the way to Micro Center to get. You can see in it, this is the one we bought. That's the gaming trio. The one is one of the new graphic cards. So you guys can see, and I start cutting the plastic. We're gonna do a nice unboxing. Why don't ever this do the trick? I'm just kidding. I don't wanna damage the box from the front. So as we go, sorry for the noise. You can see in it. Alright guys, so here is the bus. Kind of cool, look nice. So far the bus look fine. Don't know how cheap it's gonna be the packing inside, because that's something new coming out. Everybody's doing very cheap package now, so really doesn't matter, because we're really interested in what is inside this. Okay, look like the bus look kind of nice. Got a nice package. Just gonna turn this over here, and we're gonna put this right here. This is the part we're more interesting. You can see nothing else inside the bus, just regular bus. So if I put this too close, let's move this right here. That's where we're gonna get a better view. And a welcome key from MSI. You can see it. This contains the normal thing. Let's see, there's nothing else on this. You get your MSI quick user guideline. So that's that one. You got MSI show the boards, how they probably be looking for them, how nice it will be looking, stuff like that. You can see it. Creator. Oh, we got this Night Dragon stuff they've been adding on now. So that's for the MSI afterburner, the Red Dragon burner. That's what they call it. You can change a lot of things. This is a good part they send this. So this is how to upgrade your PC with a new graphic card. Something nice from them. They sent two of them. All right, that's nice. All right, so both of them are the same. We got small system guarantee. It looks like this one's come with the support. It looks like it's very big. Okay, so that's it. Nothing else. That's a plastic, nice plastic. Wow, this thing is big. They had to send me a bracket support. Look at this. Got a bracket support, MSI bracket support. Doesn't have any logo or anything on that. So that's something. Was me MSI, I would do in like a small man. I know the company I was putting over there, but it's like they skipped that side. They didn't do any. I kind of gonna give it a negative point on that one. Was excited to see MSI on the front of this, but we're not getting it. Okay, so let's go now for what everybody be waiting. It's the graphic card. That's the next thing coming out of the box. Okay, it's got this covered over here, and it's got this one right here to help to hold the graphic card in place. Alright, we're gonna put the graphic card over here, and we're gonna move some of this stuff out of the table. Just wanna make sure nothing on the bottom of the box, nothing else coming in with that. That's everything out. Move this down. Okay, guys, it's very heavy. This thing got some serious weight. That's why they be sending this to everybody. These things. This thing got serious weight. Very serious ones. Okay. Alright. Okay, I see something I don't like in it from the beginning. I'm gonna show you in a few seconds why I don't like it. I just see something, and this is gonna be enough approved from me. Super nice car. Super nice car. Smell good. It's brand new, clear. That's gonna smell good though. Alright, so this is the graphic card. We got 4 cores. It's a very huge board. Okay, we got different location. I don't know if you can see it. I want to show you guys something. This is the LED line. Alright, the graphic cards on the section over there, right here is what they located the GPU. Now, the VRAM memory is located on this side. For what I've been looking at, I don't think this heatsink is touching the memory model on this side. We're gonna go into that in a few seconds. I'm gonna show you why I know it's not, probably it's not even touching anything of that. Okay. Alright, so we got 2 8 pins connector, and then we got the rest of the stuff. So we got the FVG, and then we got the fans. Now you can see over here we got everything over here. Now right there is a problem because it's got a sink over here, and then it's connecting to the pipeline on the top. I don't see no thermopad on this section over here touching any of the chips in this area. So that means is if this guy doesn't, when we're gonna put into mine, it's not certain the other mega hash we was talking about, so we can have an idea what is responsible. And I think the responsible section is gonna be on this side over here. Also, we don't have no thermopad behind the plate at all. It's no thermopad on this side, so will be no thermopad. This is the Red Dragon. It's a super nice car, super high end stuff. It's pretty good too. But now we got a problem. They went very cheap. This is sometimes we remember we having a lot of issue with the 3080 when they came out first, because they was using very cheap capacitor. So we got the same problem over here. So this is like lottery, PVC lottery. So I didn't get the lottery, so I get the cheaper one, PVCs on it. So guys, for you guys get any of them, this MSI and still got these 4 over here, you're gonna have a problem. So they're gonna trouble, there's gonna be a lot of issue. And if you guys start having issue with one of these one, you gotta know. That's what I'm gonna point out. This over here, this is gonna be one of the bigger issue we're gonna have with this car. I already see they went super cheap to build this. I understand we got a lot of shortage on the manufacturing chip, but this is one of the biggest mistakes any car manufacturer make. They were supposed to use the expensive one, the good one, to build them, but instead they went with the cheaper way to save us some money. That's the total review I got from this car. This is my unboxing, include a small review for you guys. And then that is a super nice car. I don't think it's anything else. If you're gonna use it for gaming, you should be fine. If you're gonna try to overclock this car, I'll probably think twice before I'm trying to overclock some of this car, because if they don't have any, yeah, sorry for the interruption of the video. Like I was in the other part, if you don't have any the high end, let me move a little bit the camera. Let's go. Okay. Now, if we don't have the high-end capacitor on this, I don't think you guys should be overclocking this car way past whatever they are. They use a very cheap capacitor, so you'll be able to just use them like a daily driving. Playing some good games in it and nothing else. For mining, it's gonna be a different history. Don't know how it's gonna react out about this. And without ado, guys, this is a super nice car, super high-end value. For the price we pay for them. depending on the where you buy, where you get it. Price is varying, so you go from $750 all the way to $1,000 for this car. And without further ado, guys, that's it for tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please keep subscribing to my channel so you guys can keep up with my contents and stuff like that. I appreciate it. That will help my channel a lot. And guys, I'll see you on the next one. And I hope you have a wonderful night, wonderful afternoon, and wonderful day wherever you guys located watching my video. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, guys.